Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I need to add about number 9 in here. Later that we need to minus about number 9 because I want to create about identity in here. So this one, that should be about s minus 3 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus 3 equal to 3 secant of t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 9 secant of t square, number 9, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. If we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have ds equal to 3 secant of t tan t dt. So I need to put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 9 secant of t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. We have secant of t square minus 1. So I need to change secant of t square minus 1 into tan t square. The square root of 9 tan t square, we got 3 tan t. So we simplify 3 tan t on numerator and denominator. So we will have about 2 secant of t dt. The integration of secant of t, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. So we can find the value of t equal to our secant of this one. So I need to put this one to replace for t. We know that secant with our secant, we have this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.